In this episode, we will write some short A words with blends.
The letter A has many sounds, but the short A sound makes the sound ah, like in apple.
Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Write the word lap. Check your answer. Now change lap to gap. Check your answer. Now change the G to a C. What word do you have now? You're right. You have cap. Now change cap to clap. Check your answer. Now change the C to an F. What word do you have now? You're right. You have flap. Now change flap to slap. Check your answer. Finally, change the L to an N. What word do you have now? You're right. You have snap. Good job. You were able to write and read short A words. I hope you liked this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.